Do you love this technique but need help selecting ribbons? Let me help you. You're going to need 4 ribbons, 2 2.5-inch ribbons, and 2 1.5-inch ribbons. Start by choosing a seasonal print. These are going to be your fun ribbons with pictures and graphics. Look at this guy. Peppermints, gingerbreads. I love it. I love it. Okay, so pay close attention to the colors. Red, green, beige, white. These are the colors that are going to inform all of our other ribbon choices. Now we're going to get a 2.5-inch basic print. What's a basic print? You know, the basics like stripes, dots, plaid, ombre, check, and harlequin. Make sure your choices stick with the color story of your seasonal print. Okay, so we're going to take our seasonal print and see what that looks like in practice. Let's take this red and white candy cane ribbon. It matches. It looks okay, but do you notice how much larger the print is to the gingerbread print? It's kind of overwhelming it. So let's try something else. This one has a smaller print, which looks nice. It has red, which matches, but it has black in it, which isn't part of our initial color story, and it's a little bit heavy and overwhelming. So we're going to put that one back. Let's check out this one. This one works color-wise. It's green, it's white, it matches. The scale of the print is almost the same size as the seasonal print, so I'm gonna put it away. This is a nice red and white peppermint stripe, and I kind of love it. It goes really well with the candy canes and the peppermints that exist in our seasonal print. So I think that's what we're gonna go with. 2 down, 2 to go. Now let's find a 1.5-inch basic print. Let's grab this guy and see what these look like together. It's looking pretty good. You can see it's got the emerald green, it's got the red, it's the white. It has a little lime green in there, which doesn't really bother me because there's just a hint of it. It's not really overwhelming the design. Now on the other hand, let's take this lime green ribbon. I like the scale of the print because it's smaller than the other 2 prints, but it's all lime green. There's no emerald green in it at all, so I don't think it quite matches. It just doesn't quite fit. Let's swap it out and grab this beige ribbon. And I kind of love this. The rickrack lines really make me think of icing lines, so I think this goes really, really well. But let's try one more. Let's see what this looks like. So this ribbon, it has the emerald green, it has the red, it has the white. It's got a little peekaboo of lime green, which I think is just kind of fun and whimsical. I think that these 3 go together really well, so we're gonna go with that. So finally, we need to pick a 1.5-inch solid ribbon. The solid color is important because it's going to give the eyes a place to rest, but solid doesn't have to be boring. Here we have a solid beige color with contrasting stitching. I think it works really nicely with the gingerbread, but I want to show you a couple of other things that we can try. Solids can also have texture or sparkle, like this really pretty red ribbon here. It adds just an extra dimension of interest, but I think that's just a little bit too much red. And this next one, I just wanted to show you what a color that's not in our original color story might look like. And as you can see, it's just not quite working. It's a very pretty ribbon, but it's just not working. Here is a solid glitter emerald green ribbon, and I think it just ties everything together so nicely. It's matching the emerald green and the polka dots. It's matching the emerald green in the gingerbread. I think that's a winner. Now I just want to play. I want to show you how these rules can work for you if there's a ribbon that you really wanted, but it's out of stock or you can't find it. Let's just swap some of these so you can see how well this works. We just swapped out one 1.5-inch basic pattern ribbon for a different 1.5-inch basic pattern ribbon, and look how well that works together. Let's swap out our solid ribbon and our 1.5-inch basic pattern, and look at that. It's very, very gingerbready and pepperminty. I kind of want to make this one now. So to summarize, 1 seasonal print, 2 basic prints, and 1 solid. And you need all of them to fit in the color story that exists within your seasonal print. One more quick tip for you: avoid sheer ribbons for this project because you're just going to see right through to the frame, and you don't want to do that. Also avoid these thicker ribbons, this double-sided ribbon. It's gorgeous. It holds its shape really well, but it's not really suitable for this project because it's so thick, it's going to be hard to manipulate. For those of you who aren't familiar with shopping on our site, it's super easy to find exactly what you need. You can use the filters to find the size, 2.5 inches right there. Your design type, let's do stripes. And color, we want red. and we want to see only Christmas. And there you go. You can also search by theme. There's our gingerbread theme. It really makes it easy to find exactly what you're looking for in exactly the size that you need. I really hope you enjoyed this and learned something. If you want more tips and tutorials, remember to like and subscribe.